Mr. Mojo here, otherwise known as Dorian, founder of Keto-Mojo and the Ketogenic Foundation. Back in 2015, I was 210 pounds. I had all the biomarkers for metabolic syndrome, and my life was going in the wrong direction. I decided I had to need to do something about it. So I went on a well-regulated ketogenic diet with my wife. And then over a period of 4 to 5 months, my weight just came off. I lost nearly 47 pounds. And it was a profound difference in my life. That joie de vivre I had when I was 24 came back. During this time of doing the well-regulated ketogenic diet, I was testing with a competitor's meter. And I looked at these strips and I said, why is this $4 a pop? It seemed ridiculous. And I wanted to give back to the ketogenic community who had given so much to me. So I went across the globe to 100 different manufacturers. I cross-matched that with the federal regulations, and we released in 2017 the Keto-Mojo meter. This was our first one, and it was a game changer for the community. Single-handedly, we'd managed to reduce the price by over 75%. As we continue forward, we founded the Ketogenic Foundation to support clinical trials and studies into the efficacy and use of ketogenic therapies for the benefit of mankind. I want to thank you all for supporting us, because by supporting us, you are also supporting your community. And now in 2020, we've launched another meter on a brand new manufacturing platform. This is harmonizing Europe and America together to once again lower the cost and make it far more affordable for you. This meter has new advances in it, but more than that, we have now connected it to our platform and app. And this platform is secure and HIPAA compliant and will connect to other EHR systems and your favorite apps that you like to use in your ketogenic journey. Here at Keto-Mojo, we are more than a meter. We have an amazing website full of resources for you. We have recipes, how-tos, videos, and education. And along with that, we have an amazing app for you to track your personal journey. So on behalf of all the team at Keto-Mojo, I'd like to thank you for supporting us through these years, because it's from your actions that we have managed to create this new generation of meters and app. So you can track your journey and your bio-individuality so you can be the best, healthiest person possible.